इंग्लिश सागा। हमने एक वीडियो में सीखा था कि हम वेरी को रिप्लेस करके ऐसे कौन से वर्ड्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं जिससे हमारी इंग्लिश अच्छी लगे। आज के लेसन में भी हम 40 ऐसे वर्ड सीखेंगे जिसमें हम वेरी को रिप्लेस करेंगे। अगर आपने पहले की वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो जाके देखिए, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेसन मेरे यानी राशि के साथ। Number 1, very cruel, wicked, wicked. Number 2, very rude, impolite, impolite. Number 3, very beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous. Number 4, very shy, bashful, bashful. Number 5, very shameful, embarrassing, embarrassing. Number 6, very nervous, agitated, agitated. Number 7, very exciting, thrilling, thrilling. Number 8, very boring, dull, dull. Number 9, very cheap, economical, economical. Number 10, very busy, occupied, occupied. Number 11, very fast, brisk, brisk. Number 12, very difficult, challenging, challenging. Number 13, very easy, effortless, effortless. Number 14, very expensive, overpriced, overpriced. Number 15, very heavy, bulky, bulky. Number 16, very hot, blazing, blazing. Number 17, very cold, freezing, freezing. Number 18, very loose, baggy, baggy. Number 19, very tight, stiff, stiff. Number 20, very old, antique, antique. 21, very painful, unbearable, unbearable. 22, very powerful, dominant, dominant. 23, very sharp, pointed, pointed. 24, very stupid, dumb, dumb. 25, very talented, skilled, skilled. 26, very tasty, delectable, delectable. 27, very tall, towering, towering. 28, very wide, broad, broad. 29, very worried, concerned, concerned. 30, very ugly, hideous, hideous. 31, very serious, solemn, solemn. 32, very shiny, beaming, beaming. 33, very stinky, rancid, rancid. 34, very smooth, effortless, effortless. 35, very thin, gaunt, gaunt. 36, very necessary, crucial, crucial. 37. Very dry, parched, parched. 38. Very colorful, vibrant, vibrant. 39. Very clever, intelligent, intelligent. And the last, number 40, very crowded, jammed, jammed. तो आज हमने सीखे 40 ऐसे वर्ड्स जिसमें से हम वेरी रिप्लेस करके अच्छे वर्ड्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं। होप आपको समझ आया हो। अगर कोई भी डाउट है तो मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछिए। हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए कीप लर्निंग।